A smile is everything. So I always wanted my smile to be nice. From the beginning, I had to wear partials and bridges. And as I got older, they wasn't giving me the pretty smile I wanted.
Her attitude was kind of down because she had went to so many different dentists and got work done, and nothing seemed to work correctly. She'd get all this different work done, and then she was like, I got to go to the dentist again. And I would say, wow, again? So this went on for like years.
And one day I met Dr. Patel at a church. I didn't know what he was doing. I just know he was a nice guy. And so happened, I said, well, what you do for a living? And he said he was a dentist. What? The halo came up, the sun, the sky opened up. I'm like, what? You a dentist? And the first thing you know what I asked him, do you do implants? He said, yeah, I do implants.
Since day one, she always just wanted a pretty smile. And over the time, as we worked on her, we got her an all-in-6 to be exact, and completely just changed how she can eat. But probably the biggest thing I noticed was she was always an outgoing person, but I feel like since she got her smile, she's even more outgoing.
You just don't know how much that meant to me. I went from braces to partials to crowns, and I was tired. I was ready to get all my teeth pulled out and get me implants up and lower. And that was an important procedure for me. And you needed somebody who you was gonna trust. And I'm like, yeah, okay, I could trust this guy. He's a nice guy. And he came in and he looked at everything and he did the work, and voila, look here, I got this nice big smile.
I couldn't believe it. It was like I kept looking at her, and she was even a whole nother person.
She really holds her head up higher. Her posture's completely changed. She used to hide her smile all the time, use her hand, turn her head, kind of just look down. Now she looks you right in the eyes, smiles, and her smile. I love her smile. I mean, I look at her like, I wish I had teeth like that. She's got a nice, big, bright smile. So her transformation's been wonderful.
It is everything they said it was gonna be, plus. I mean, I was so happy I could smile again, and you just don't know. It was just like Christmas. It was like your favorite toy you got. You told your mom and dad, hey, this is what I want for Christmas, and you wasn't sure you was gonna get it, but when you told that gift box open and that's what it was, that's what it's like to me when I saw my teeth in my mouth. It was like Christmas. So I am grateful for Dr. Patel at Schaumburg Dental Studio. They the best.